Where over the rainbow, where far, somewhere's I'm gonna have some turkey in my room.
That was the worst ever by far. Now as you look at that, there was possibly 100.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything! Good morning, guys! Nagmamask lang ako, guys, kasi may heat on at inubo ako. Sa init lang ito. Hopefully, this is just because of the heat yesterday. And came out in and out yesterday. Like cray-cray. And magluto ako ng ano, guys. Ito, at saka egg. And the fried rice.
And those containers you keep throwing away. Why is that, hon?
Because, huh?
You leave stuff in there and then you don't want to, like, then you don't want to wash it.
We have a lot of containers. That's not your containers. That's a Chinese container.
I know it is. The soup containers, these little containers come in really handy.
Candy my ass. This time we have a lot of them. We got no what? Containers?
No
so
different size stuff for different things.
So what do you have container up there, hidden over there?
I use those first, but these come in handy.
My God, my husband is just collecting everything. Just collect everything. 7:30 na, guys, ng gabi. Umaga. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Naghugas ng ano si Tami? Pinggan.
That's right, guys. My wife decided it's easier to throw it out than wash it.
It's a container that when you
throw
order...
it out because you don't want to wash it.
No.
Tell the truth.
Yes, honey, because we have a lot of container. That container, it's like when you go to Chinese store, you order thing, that's what you have, container, okay? And it collect everything like that, guys. It should be thrown out because we have a lot, like a lot container, okay? No kidding, a lot.
Order food out for the next 3 weeks and we'll have a bunch more containers. Little man.
Ang kati ng ilong ko.
Little man.
Ang kati. Fried rice, guys. And yun. And
It don't look like fried rice.
bread is fried rice. Egg and yung ano, Argentina. You enjoy the Filipina, enjoy the food. You enjoy me, honey? Do you enjoy me?
Yes, hon.
Yeah.
We'll find you, hon.
Huh?
We'll find you.
Oh, okay. Hon, what the heck is wrong with you? We're not playing here. I'm feeding you.
You're confused. This is play.
I don't know what's going on with this.
Allergies.
I'm totally fine. My body is okay. No aching, nothing. I'm fine. It's just...
Allergies.
Tammy said I have allergies. Sarap ng Argentina. Argentina corn beef. Advertising.
You're taking pictures in my car for.
Yeah, it's messy and it's full of crap. And you put the crap in all this now. What is this? What is this?
That's like that frame that you got.
Yan, maglalaba tayo guys. And ito na naman ito. Naghalungkat kami ng mga gamit ni Tamimoy na dala galing sa isang bahay. Sabi pa niya, meron siyang mga old na mga alahas, mga gold. So ngayon, sabi niya, ibigay ko to sa iyo. Look. Ito daw, sabi niya, ibigay ko to sa iyo, look. Ano daw ito noong bata pa siya daw. Yan, bigay daw ito. I think yung parents niya nagbigay noon. Somebody's listening. Somebody's listening. The mama's vlogging. You do. Nagluluto lang ako ng pork. Bago natin yan i-rotisserie, binuboil ko siya ng matagal.
To pass on legacy of civic-mindedness to her descendants. I'm very proud to carry on her story. Her story. Find their stories.
Online privacy and lifelong identity theft protection was to help reduce urges to urinate. Except no imposters.
Pasensya na yung TV, oy. Tapos na akong nagluto ng binuil ko yung pork. Are you okay, Han? What is BB mixer? Ah, the mixer you have? Really? Honey, there's something wrong with you, Han. It's not in the basement, Han? Tommy is crazy. Honey, I can't even carry this pork. Just laughing at you. I can't carry the pork. Ito na lang. Nakalimutan ko na mayroon pala ako nito, guys. Asa na yun? Pang ano ba? Ganito, oh. Yung, ganun. Ganiturn. Ang gagawin ko is, ikakat ko lang yung... What? Huh? Ah. Okay then. Son, somebody fixed you a lot. So, I will cut the skin.
Well, make sure it still works.
Okay.
You never saw this.
No, I think I saw it. So, iyon yun. I-square ko lang yung skin, guys. Para lalabas yung taba. And then, maging crunchy siya. Yun. What happened?
Still works.
How do you know it's work?
See the lights?
So, okay now, guys. Ang gagawin ko is first...
When you go to that.
So, ngayon guys, i-ano na natin ito. Ilagay na sa rotisserie. And, alam nyo ba na si Tammy, naliligo na. Tinanong ko siya guys, kasi kahapon naalala nyo, pinakita ko kay Lloydie or yung picture ng yung lalaking nagdala sa akin dito. So, ngayon, tika muna guys ha. Ano yan guys, 2.5 hour ko yun siya inano. Ano ba yung sinabi ko kanina? Oh yan, nagtanong ako kay Tammy kasi naghalungkat kami, 'di ba? The other day pumunta siya sa isang bahay. Ngayon, ang sabi niya, nag-ano siya, guys, naghalungkat sa old bedroom niya. Yung old bedroom niya is siya lang yung nakapasok. Nakatingin ako doon one time, yung nandun siya. Pinatingin, ang daming gamit. So ngayon, naghalungkat siya doon. Sabi ko, oh, may nakita kang mga mga memorabilia, mga pictures. So yun. So napag-usapan namin. So kaya natanong ko sa kanya, anong gagawin ko sa picture ko? Kasi sabi niya, no, wala daw siyang nakitang picture. Pero meron daw mga picture sa mga family, ganon. Pero wala daw ex. So, iwan ko. Pero, yun yung sabi niya. So, napag-usapan lang guys, as a couple, natural na yung mag-open up ng mga or pag-usapan yung mga ganon. Lalo na ako, gusto kong malaman. So, sabi ko, anong gagawin ko sa sa picture ko? Wala ka na palang picture sa nakaraan mo. Sabi ko, so, anong gagawin ko sa picture nung lalaking nagdala? Naalala ko, kasi si Lloyd kahapon, gusto niya makita. Pinakita ko sa kanya yung ganon, yung picture. Saka tawang-tawa kami kasi ang payat ko pala noon talaga. Grabe talaga ang payat ko noon. Sabi ko kay Tami, kung itatapon ko ba or ano ba? Sabi pa ni Tami, nasa sayo yan kung itapon mo or i-keep mo. So yun. So natanong ko sa kanya kung okay lang ba na gano'n nandun or itapon. So wala man daw siyang pakialam. So pabayaan lang natin yan sa ate. Pero ang dami kong picture guys na tinapon. Yung inano ko lang, yung kinikip ko na picture. May kinikip ako ng mga picture na kaming dalawa, with my aunt, yung sister ko, yung family, meron pa din yung with family, meron yung papa at mga brother ko, meron somewhere na picture, hindi ko alam kung asan yun nalagay, pero meron, pero ang dami kong tinapon na picture, pati buhok niya, may binigay siyang buhok, and yun, tinapon ko yon at saka yung ibang picture niya. Yung, di ba yung uso noong cellphone, picture, cellphone, ganon. So, yun, ang dami. And then, ipa-recopy mo, ganon. Ganyan yun noon sa Pilipinas, ganyan yung ginawa ko. Recopy. I-recopy mo lang sa Sa Gaisano. Doon ako noon, sa Gaisano, Cebu, Colon. Doon ako na magpapa-recopy palagi. Honestly.
Oh, he's only thinking this time. I think he's got to be watching me somewhere.
Somewhere here, somewhere over the rainbow.
Where over the rainbow? Where far? Someone watching, wondering where you are.
Roxy. She's like, I'm watching.
It's not crunchy.
That's the problem. Next time I will do it my way. Like, just no.
Here's your way. Nobody told me.
No, you told me put.
I told you to put lots of garlic powder.
From the refrigerator that your
Mustard?
favorite, yeah. The thing that makes it crunchy because I've been cooking this.
The mustard does not make it not crunchy.
Yes.
You can make any excuses you want. That's not
Yes,
true.
love.
Okay, sure. Mustard stops it from getting crunchy. Who are you kidding?
Yeah. If you kind of just like sprinkle with salt, you can get a nice crunchiness.
What?
I've been cooking this since I was a baby.
Okay, yeah. Mustard stops it getting crunchy. Yeah, you got an excuse for everything.
No, that's not an excuse. That's the truth.
You like the Democrats. Oh, it's Trump's fault.
Ay, honey. Don't ever.
I like the Democrats.
Yeah, right.
Oh, somebody thinks. Somebody thinks.
Little man. You always have something to say, singing.
Roxy will get some fresh food, but Missy's getting the same old stuff. Well, she don't eat early or late, and he's gonna eat same old crap.
Honey.
We're gonna add some more food to it because she can't get away with this shit.
Donald Trump's talking right now.
Mama can't make pork crunchy. Mama can't make that crunchy.
We have turkey there.
Time to ding, roll up your sleeve. Oh, we have the chicken too, right?
Just do the turkey. It's easier. Do it tomorrow.
I'm gonna have some turkey in my room. And I'm gonna throw in some tuna just in case you wanna taste. Call it surfing, turfing, turfing.
Honey, turfiner. And we're gonna have that thing. I'm not gonna cut it. I cut it later to continue. Here's our lunch, our dinner. Yun siya, guys. The porky. Hello, guys. Let's eat. Kakainin na natin itong porky. Come here na, love. Gulay lang at saka pork.
You have pork and broccoli rabe, not cucumber, and this is all broccoli rabe?
Mm-hmm.
That was it? Wow. I'm shocked. That's right. That's right. Don't doubt. Exactly right.
No, I mean, you can't compare it to 1917. That was incredible. That was the worst ever by far. Now, if you look at that, there was possibly 100 million people. No, I don't agree with that. But if you look at these numbers, they're coming down very substantially. And I do believe that Americans, many are wearing masks, which is a good thing. Again, some people thought that you shouldn't wear masks. You know, when this whole thing started, doctor, did you see that? And hospitalizations, and normally you would have had to build more like we did for the first surge. We've done it right. We closed it up. We're the greatest economy in history. We closed it up.
Good, tender.
If stupid people aren't elected next year, we're going to have one of the greatest years that we've ever had.
What? What is it?
If stupid people aren't elected next year, we're going to have one of the greatest years ever.
Alam nyo, guys, nakalimutan kong nag-vlog. Nag-vlog pala ako. Nakalimutan ko. It's already 10 o'clock na ng gabi. Nagpa-vlog pala ako. Nakalimutan kong mag-vlog. Ay, nanonood naman kami ng yung show na pinapanood namin, yung Lost. Lost without your love. Da, 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 da. So, ngayon, matutulog na kami. Napasensya na talaga kayo, guys. Wala talaga akong nagawa today. Kumakain, pagkatapos naman kumain, nanonood ng show. Yun lang. Pasensya na talaga kayo na, yun, wala akong nagginawa today. Wala kaming maginawa tayo. Dito lang sa bahay buong araw. And ngayon, sabi na, ay, tapos na yung araw. Tulog na naman tayo. May mga tao doon sa kapitbahay, guys. Ang daming tao. Yung kapitbahay namin, ang daming tao. 10 o'clock na. Ang dami. Pero yung mga teenager, nagpa-fire, sila? Fire something. Yun. Pero, buti na lang, hindi masyadong malapit yung mga... Dimples? Hindi masyadong malapit yung mga bahay. Kaya kapag malapit kasi, maingay yung mga teenager. Maririnig. Buti na lang, hindi namin marinig. So, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow. We will see you guys tomorrow with the little boy. With the little boy. Yeah. Bye. See you guys. Bye-bye. 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 Look at this. I love you, Mama. You're so annoying. Look at me. Look at me, guys. Look, look, look. Look. Look, look. Look, 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 look. Kawawa man. Look. Mama, what are you doing? I love you so much.